Hey everybody, Chris Bystead here with Guaranty RV in Junction City. Got a really cool trailer for you. It's really lightweight and it's great for a small family. As you notice, it doesn't have any slide out on the outside. Sometimes people are looking for a small trailer that's lightweight with no slides. This is the one. I think you're gonna like it. Now on the outside of this trailer, you do have plenty of storage underneath. Solar on the side, big power awning and outdoor speakers. But check out what you've got on the inside. So we're on the inside of the trailer now, and check it out. You've got a wonderful place for a bed right here. It sleeps east and west, so it's nice and long. A 6-foot person can fit in this beautifully. You also have a dinette for 4 people. Just perfect, plenty of room. And you'll enjoy this wonderful kitchen. 2 sinks, 2-burner cook stove, microwave oven, and really nice fridge and freezer. Plenty of storage for food in just such a small little trailer. Check out the bathroom. And here you've got a small tub. If you've got small children or pets that you need to give a bath, you can do that. Plenty of space in the shower for adults. You got a medicine cabinet, overhead fan, and toilet inside there. Really, you can see it's a very spacious trailer considering the fact that there's no slide outs and it's only 18 feet. Here's what is really awesome. Check this out. You've got 2 dedicated bunks right here. So if you've got extra adults or kids that need a place to sleep, there you go. It's not taking up too much real estate. What's really nice about this is, heck, if it's just a couple or a single person that wants to use this trailer, you've got a lot of extra storage here as well. So you might find that something that you would take advantage of. We've got lots of these in different floor plans. I'd love to take you through and show them all to you and find the right one for you. Give me a call. My name's Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878.